Now, the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Brian Argenti.
We're seeing some activity on our Storm Team Live radar network, specifically up towards our northwesternmost parts of the area. I want to zoom in here. You can see right around Lewistown, we're seeing a bit of a mix of some snow and also some rain, especially for Mifflin, Juniata, and some parts of Perry County as well. But overall, we're calm across the Susquehanna Valley. See some clearing in the skies there on the Lancaster Skycam. 44 degrees out there. It certainly doesn't feel like it with this west-northwesterly breeze. Right around 25 miles per hour. It feels like 35 degrees out there. So in terms of the rest of the forecast for this evening, we rated this evening into tonight as an impact night. Again, we have very strong wind gusts that are blowing across the area, and will continue to be mostly cloudy. We'll still continue with the winds, but we could see that mix of some showers as well as some snow in our northwesternmost parts of the area. 36 to 40 degrees, 15 to 25 mile per hour sustained wind speeds. As we get into tonight, 28 to 32 degrees, it's going to feel like the low 20s, especially with that breeze kicking in. It'll be partly cloudy though. We'll be blustery as we go through the overnight period, and then transitioning into tomorrow, it'll be 36 to 40 degrees, mostly cloudy. We'll be blustery and colder. Still have that west-northwesterly breeze still kicking between 15 and 25 miles per hour. Here's some of these peak wind gusts that we've gotten today. 43 miles per hour in Fort Indiantown Gap, 39 miles per hour in Manheim. Middletown right around 37 miles per hour. You can see we're at least 30 miles per hour in this subset of data that we have here. December 2024 though, just to recap on this past month or now last month, now that it's New Year's Day, average temperature in December is 34.5 degrees, but we're about minus 1.3 degrees below average for December 2024. In terms of the highest and lowest temperatures, we hit 62 degrees as our highest temperature and 10 degrees as our lowest temperature for December. And then our total rainfall just above 3.6 inches there. And then going into the total snowfall, we hit right around 1.8 inches of snow. Now to preview January, usual high for this time of year is right around 40 degrees. Average low is 25. By the time we get to the end of January, we're only 1 degree just below 40, 39 for a high, 22 for the lows. But temperatures across the board are into the 40s, 37 degrees in Lewistown, and sustained winds still kicking into the 20s for some areas, into the teens as well, 12 miles per hour in York, 14 miles per hour in Carlisle. And because of these strong winds, we have a wind advisory in effect until midnight tonight. So again, here's Storm Team Live Radar Network. We're picking up on some of this activity towards the northwesternmost parts of the Susquehanna Valley, seeing a little bit of that mix of rain and some snow. And we widen out the picture. You can see this is all lake effect that you can see, this northwesterly flow that's coming off of Lake Erie there. That's what's helping to kickstart some of these snow showers in some areas. But I want to stop the clock because we could see this activity continue into the rest of the evening going into tonight. Now tomorrow, as we go into tomorrow morning, we're seeing a mix of some sun and clouds, especially some clouds over towards our northernmost areas, but we'll be partly cloudy going into the day tomorrow as well as into Thursday evening. Now going into Friday, we see this swath of snow showers that are going to be pushing into western PA. We're expecting to see some of this snow as we go into Friday afternoon. I stopped the clock there right around 12:30 in the afternoon, seeing some activity go through there. So we could see some afternoon, evening snow showers as we go into Friday. Now, look at the next 10 days for you. We're dropping down into the temperature. So Farm Show week, make sure you're bundling up and make sure you got that extra hat and those gloves. It's going to be very brisk and cold going into next week, but we do have a chance of some light snow for Monday. We're still keeping an eye on it, but it looks like we could get clipped with some light snow for the beginning of the work week next week.